1 week. That is all it took for these 8 habits to completely change my life. Before I started this protocol, I was stuck. I was tired, unmotivated, and I felt like I was going nowhere. I had all these big dreams and goals, but my daily actions reflected more of a Bart Simpson than a Ben Franklin. Whether you're struggling with energy, focus, or just getting stuff done, these 8 habits are the toolkit you need. They will change your productivity, your energy, and your output, so you can finally have the impact you want on the world. Habit 1. Daily writing. Spend 5 to 10 minutes every single morning in a journal. This clarifies the day and removes the junk from your brain. I use a simple 1-2-3 strategy. 1. Brain dump of everything I'm anxious about. 2. Big goals for the day. And 3 things I'm grateful for. Even Ben Franklin reflected on his progress every single day. Habit 2. Morning exercise. Recently, I've realized that morning exercise is a superpower, especially when you combine nature, sunlight, and movement. Research shows that exercise has a more significant impact on your health span and quality of life than anything else. Aim for 300 minutes a week. There is no drug that comes close to the benefits of physical strength for your life. Habit 3. Reading. If you read for even 1 hour a day, you are in the top 10% of people. Reading builds your focus, your writing, and your brain abilities. Warren Buffett reads 500 to 1,000 pages a day. Aim for at least 30 minutes of something that interests you. Habit 4. The 30-minute phone rule. If you spend 4 hours a day on your phone, you are losing 1 full day every single week. Imagine gaining 24 hours every week to learn programming, a new language, or spend time with family. Put your phone in one spot and only allow yourself 30 minutes of screen time. This alone will change your life. Habit 5. Master the foundations. The best students don't memorize. They understand the basics better than anyone else. Focus on the core of whatever you are learning. If you understand the foundations of physics, biology, or computer science, you can do things with information that 95% of people cannot. Habit 6. Work on something excitingly ambitious. Stop being so realistic. Realism is no fun. Develop a habit of working on your own projects. Whatever seems exciting and ambitious to you, let your childlike curiosity be the engine. This curiosity will not only drive you, but will show you exactly what to work on. Habit 7. Quantify the inputs. We need to be functional. Set a quantifiable number for your goals and check it regularly. If you measure it, you can fix it. Track the hours you work or the weight you lift. Don't eyeball it. Write it down in your calendar. Habit 8. Ignore the outputs. Focus only on the labor, not the fruits. The output, whether it's money, followers, or grades, is complicated and affected by things you can't control. Focus on making cool stuff and helping people. If your inputs are correct and consistent, your life will change regardless of the outcome. Bonus habit 9, the coffee shop strategy. Work in public places. There is something about the minimalism of a laptop and a coffee that forces you to focus. These 9 things have made me happier and more successful than I've ever been. Start today, and I'll see you in 1 week.